right, so now it's time to take a look at how to set up your MidJourney account. So MidJourney does not actually have an application. It utilizes a tool called Discord, which if you're watching this video, there's a good chance you already have a Discord account because that's what we use for the chat inside our course. So to join MidJourney, what you need to do is click the Join the Beta button on their website, and you'll need to be signed into your Discord account inside of your browser. So let's go ahead and click Join the Beta, and it's going to connect. Just go through the prompts and it will be fully connected. Now, you'll end up in a server that is called MidJourney, and there's tons of rooms and crazy things to look at. It's really interesting. If you just go to the left and just click on one of these newbie channels, you can see just some of the artwork that the community is generating, which is pretty cool. Now, the problem with running MidJourney in these public channels is your artwork can get lost really, really quickly. So I don't recommend and I don't like running MidJourney directly inside of these public channels. However, you must have a paid version of MidJourney to not run your prompts through these channels. So MidJourney has different tiers, and you can read the specific fine print about what you get with each tier. It's put in context with the $10 a month tier. I was able to make the Star Wars video. And I really feel like that might be good enough for you if you're going through this course, but you may want the middle tier. It's completely up to you. There are some additional benefits, like being able to run multiple prompts at the same time if you get the middle tier. But again, the pricing, it has changed from month to month. So make sure to go to MidJourney's website to see the exact pricing. So if you want to subscribe to MidJourney, all you need to do is go to the chat here and do / and say subscribe. And just click enter. And it will open a preference page here. You can just click the preference button, click yep, and it will take you over to the MidJourney website. You can select the plan that you want. We are on the most expensive plan because we run so many prompts, but again, the basic plan or the standard plan would more than likely be just fine for you. So make sure that you subscribe to one of those plans, and then after you do that, hop back over to MidJourney, and I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up your own custom server. So now that you've subscribed to MidJourney, it's time to create a place where you can privately put together your artwork and it's not going to get lost in a big feed here. So my favorite way to do that is to create a server. So to create a server inside of Discord, you just click this plus button that says add a server. You'll create your own for you and your friends. And let's just give this server a name. I'm going to call this our AI art server. And we'll click create. Cool. AI arts, we have it up there on the left, and this is our new server. So now we actually need to invite the Discord bot to this server. So let's go back over to MidJourney. And let's just find any piece of artwork, and you'll select this green text here. So select it. And let's add to server. And let's select our AI art server. Allow it to do everything and click authorize. Okay, so there you go. So now if we go to our AI art server, we see that we have our MidJourney bot here. And there's only one general channel, but you can create other channels. I like to set up different channels depending on the types of projects that I'm working on. You know, I'll create a new channel for a new project. So I'm going to create a new channel just for myself, and I'm going to call this the Week 1 assignment.
Yep.